guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really fun summery bronze makeup look. I absolutely love these types of makeup looks because it's so simple, but yet you look so dewy, so glowy. Look, you just look healthy, you know, and I just like it because the eyes, they're so simple, but your face and mascara, brows, lips, that's the only part that does all the talking, but it also complements the eyes. And I don't know, just something about these looks, I just love them. So if you guys want to see how I got this, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my foundation and concealer because you guys see me do that over and over again. But the foundation I went into the MAC's Studio Fix Fluid. I'm in NC30, which is a little too dark for me, but I just lightened it up, and yeah, so I lightened it up with concealer. And then for the concealer, I just went in with my LA Girls, you know, Pro Kit Cream, the light shade. I don't know, I've been actually really liking it now that I've been just using it on its own. It's really not bad. I'm actually really liking this. Will it replace the Tarte Shape Tape? No. That is always going to be a staple for me. But for now, I don't mind it. But anyways, I set my face already. Well, not all of it. I set under my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Yellow Banana Powder. But I wanted to now jump into the bronze part of the video. I am going to be using a lot of highlight. But right now I'm going to be using first, before I set everything else, I'm using the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and this is the Gleam. So I'm using that one along with the same NYX one, but in Sunbeam. So it's the pink one. But I'm going to use the darker one first, and I am going to use quite a bit, which I know you guys are gonna think is crazy. I have that much. I'm getting my beauty sponge, and I am going to tap this all on the high points of the cheeks, putting it above the brow, same on this side. There, and down the bridge. My nose, and all the places where I'm gonna highlight, but I mainly want it of the cheekbones, and it doesn't have to be precise to know exactly where, because this is a bronzed glowy look, so I am just putting it wherever it wants to lay. And I'm gonna now go in with the Sunbeam and do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that, and I'm just going to go ahead now and set the rest of my face with the airspun powder. And I'm not going to set over it because I want to set the highlight with the highlighter. But I am wanting to set around the forehead, so when I bronze. Because I am going to obviously set this with the highlighter, but it is going to get covered with the bronze, but I want it to have a little sheen under it before we do the highlight. So I'm just sticking in with the Glow Kit, that glow from Anastasia, and I'm going to be mixing those three, and I'm going to put that all over the highlights. Okay, so now the bronzer, I'm using the same one, the one from Essence, and I'm going to now bronze my face. Now the contour, I am going in with my Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to go ahead and contour the cheeks. The Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring kit in the light, just to brighten up here just a tad. I'm not going all the way out this time, I'm just sticking it in those areas. Okay, one more time with the highlight, because then I'm going to do my brows. And again, if you guys don't want this much highlight, which is a little crazy, you don't have to do it. But me, for a bronze look, I just think it's all about that glow, and that's what you want. Okay, so I'm gonna go into that Colourpop palette that I cannot pronounce, but again, there's the name. Anyways, I'm gonna just go into that shade right there. It's like this orangey brown, just to do a real quick color for the crease. I'm gonna be using the brush that you guys all already know about, and if not, it's the Morphe M504 brush. So anyways, I'm getting a little bit of that and throwing that in my crease all over. Okay, so now the fun part, really fun part. So we're going back into the highlighting palette, and the color that I never use on my face is this one. But I do love it for eyes, and especially for the bronzy looks. It's perfect. So this is going all over my lid. So let me get my brush. And so we're getting this and just putting it all over. And so now that that is on, I want to go in with some Fix Plus with the same color. And I just want it a more wet look. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do, same brush, go in with those 3 colors that I used for my face, and I'm wetting that as well, and then I'm going to put that on top in the center. Okay, now to highlight the brow bone, again, same 3 colors that we did. We're just going to highlight the brow bone and inner corner. Okay, and so now, going in with that light brown from the Colourpop palette, I am just getting, no, not that brush. I'm getting my Vasanti Contouring Eyeshadow 4 brush, and just gonna sweep this all under the lower lash line. And now going in with that highlight, the one that we did over the lid, we're just going to diffuse that with the highlight. And the only thing I'm gonna do is with the Ulta's gel liner, I'm gonna just, in brown, I'm gonna do my waterline and tightline. Okay, so then now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and throw on mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now for a lip, I'm not gonna line them or nothing. I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Kristen. You could choose whatever lip you want. You could do a red lip, you could do a really nude lip, a pinky nude lip, which I'm gonna try this pinky nude one first. But yeah, you just want to keep it simple, but I would probably say on the glossy side, but you could do matte, it's all up to you, your preference. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face and then we are done. Okay guys, so that is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I think this look probably out of everything, of all the makeup looks, is my favorite look to do because it is so simple. You're mainly focusing just on the face and the eyes. You can just do a very, very subtle look and let the mascara do the talking. I really, really love this kind of looks. So I was so glad to do it today, and again, it gives you more of a reason to just throw on a lot of highlight and just glow away. Anyways, if you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, please. That would be so great of you guys. And with all of that being said, I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.